Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you've been here before, and thank you for returning. So today I have a diamond painting unbagging, unboxing to show you. Sometimes I show you progress, sometimes I show finishes, it all depends. I also love to show you yarn and crochet. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons working on a project. And on Tuesday nights, I talk books with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. If any of those things are of interest to you, I hope you stick around, peck around on my channel, check out some other videos, and stick around a while. So today I have an order from Fansells. Fansells is a wonderful company I've worked with for quite a while. I get some great stuff from them, and let's get into it and show you what we have. Well, right off the bat, I'm pretty sure I have this guy, but that's okay. Anytime I get duplicates, they just go into my giveaway box, and one of you lucky viewers has a chance to win it. All right, so let's get to it, and I'll show you what we have. We got lots of interesting packages here, okay? All right, so here's this cute little snowman. He's adorable, and he has 7 different drills. Very pretty, all the blue, and it's very, very pretty. I love it. Let's get into it. I'll show you the drills. All right. Let's do it. As soon as we can open the package. That's always half the battle. Getting the package open. All right. What do we have? We have a bunch of clear rhinestones because all of the white will be represented with clear. A little bit of green, a little bit of red, and a little bit of teal. Beautiful. Here's our special drills. A round faceted clear, but it has the iridescent coating on it. A round red faceted, and some little marquees, little bitty ones. Cute. He's super cute. Super, super cute. Love him. I mean, that's why I got it twice, right? Okay, let's see. What's in this package? I have no idea. I didn't open it. I did not open it. I don't even know how to open it. I don't know. I need scissors. One moment. Let's get scissors. Okay. Cut it open. It must be good. I can't get into it. What is it? Come on. Oh, goodness. I'm telling you, packaging is the hardest part about some of this. Getting things out of the packages. Okay, there we go. We did it. We got it. What's in here? What's in here? Oh, man. It's cute. It's little. I didn't know it was this small, but it's adorable. Look at how cute it is. It's a little fall truck. It's got to be a hanging. It's got a hole, so there must be a chain somewhere. Isn't it cute? Oh, my goodness. That's so cute. It's got all these pumpkins in the back and sunflowers. That's adorable. I mean, it's that size right there. I mean, that gives you a good indication how large it is, right? It's just one-sided. There's a film on the back. Take that off. That's cute. Okay, where's our chain? We don't have a chain? What in the world? Oh, here it is. It's in the bottom of the bag. There's our chain. Just hanging out in the bottom of the bag. Toolkit, etc., etc. Let's look at drills. It's super cute. I didn't know it was that little, but it's cute. That'd be easy to whip up, too. Great for fall time, which is, we're heading into fall. I mean, it's still summer technically, but ooh, fall is in the air. Clear, black. That's kind of like a champagne color, an orange, a green, kind of like a gray, another orange, a brown. Here's our specials. An orange, round, faceted. Oh, I love these. Iridescent coating on those green marquees. Beautiful. Oh, now we have these crystal on the bottom, gold on the top. Oh, and one more rhinestone. Just throwing one more for a good measure. Super, super cute. Love it. All right. I'll put this all together now that I have the chain. I'll put it in with the drills and we'll have it all together. Okay. Now, this is something I got just to show you. It's not necessarily something I'm interested in. I could change my mind, I suppose, but it's just nothing that has appealed to me. So here's our toolkit, same toolkit. Here's our legend. We have a legend. So these are mini canvases. I know so many people are into the little mini canvases. My thought always is, what do you do with them? They're so small. What are you going to do with them? And my second thought has always been, they're so small. They're so pixelated. It just hasn't been something I've really been interested in. They are an individual canvas. That is canvas. Okay. Let's show you what I got. Okay. Like I said, I could change my mind. And then I don't know what I would do with them, honestly. But okay, that one looks decent. Leaves and acorns. All right. Pumpkins. They don't look too bad. Clearly, we're getting a vibe here, right? Fallish. Okay, that is rain boots and an umbrella. I don't know what this is supposed to be. I don't know. Leaves? Maybe. I don't know. Pumpkins and a lantern. I mean, they don't look bad in the camera. Okay, this is a house. Is it a house? Is it a mill? No, it's a house. See, this is where I'm like, I'm not a fan of that one. I'm almost thinking it's a mill because of the water there, and that's a wheel. And it could be. There's a house. Okay, that's just a house with a purple front door. Jam. I want to make some jam. I don't know what these are. That looks like pumpkin, but why would it be jam? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. A truck full of pumpkins. Okay, that one's easy to figure out. Got that one. A stack of books with a mug of coffee and some, I think those are leaves again, right? Yeah. Okay. Pumpkin and sunflower. Happy fall. I like that one. That one's cute. I think that one will look nice. Oh, now we have a fox with leaves. Okay. So they're like the little mini paintings, and they have other sets. I just picked the fall one because I knew we were heading into fall. So what do you think? I know so many people out there love to do these, and they like enhance them and do all kinds of stuff with them. Pumpkins would be good. So I thought I would just grab a set and show you that Fansells has these. That's really why I got them, is to show you that these are available at Fansells. Okay? And here is a little legend for us. It tells us what numbers, because, okay, so they're different. Like 9 is an A. So you have to keep your legend here, I think, for all of these. Yep, because there's nothing on the bags of drills. All right? Now, could I open all these? Yes, I could open all these, but really they're all just regular drills of different colors. I don't think there's any ABs or anything special in there, but you're going to need to keep your legend here because, like I said, your legend is going to tell you that T is number 21. Okay, and this legend is going to go throughout all of the little paintings. So this might be one that you want to kit up in maybe some small containers or something and maybe make labels. I don't know. You decide how you'd like to do them. But yeah, I just thought I'd show them to you. And they have other varieties. All right. For those people who love the little small little paintings. There you go. All right. Last thing. Comes in a box. An interesting box. It comes in a box and a bag. Okay. A box and a bag. What in the world? I don't know. Oh, I know these are sticky. These are double-sided sticky. That's red. Oh, stuff's coming out. Hang on. I think it's just it's just stuck there. It's not supposed to be. Oh, I know. Oh, I know what this is. Okay. Do you see what it's doing? You see what it's doing, right? You do see. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. How does this work? Toolkit, drills. We'll look at those in a second. Here's a snowman, or a snowman's head. It's just a piece of plastic. All right. Snowman's head is going to attach to this. His head is going to attach, and his head is going to wobble back and forth. I think that happens automatically. They got like these little weights in there, and I think it's just gonna, you touch it and it's gonna bob back and forth. Right. Okay, so one of these must be to stick him on there. I would assume this one goes on here. Yep, the small one. And these are really sticky too. Okay, and he's gonna stick on there. Okay. This is cute. He must have a body, right? I don't know what this is for. This, I'm unclear about. Oh, it takes a battery. What does it take a battery for? I have no idea what it requires a battery for. And you put a battery in there. How do you turn it on and off? Or is it just on all the time? Okay, that requires a little research. And here's his body. So his body is going to go here. His body won't move. His body will stay stationary, and his head's going to wobble back and forth. Wobble, wobble, back and forth, his head. Okay, very cute. I mean, I don't think you really need a battery. All you got to do is push him, unless you just want it to go automatically and just stay on all the time. He's going to bobble back and forth if you just touch his head. He's cute though, right? So his head's going to wobble back and forth. Wobble, 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 wobble head. He's a bobblehead. Okay, yeah, I've got some questions here, like what's the battery for? How do you turn the battery on and off? Or do you? Or you don't? And what is this piece for? No idea. No clue. No clue. No idea. No idea. Okay. I'll let you know further if I research this and figure it out. All right, let's look at drills. I know how the pieces go on, but that's about all I got for you. Well, clearly he would go this way. There you go. Okay, here's our drills. All rhinestones, it looks like. Salmony color, garnet red, lime green, yellow. Oh, there's some black, some light blue, two shades of blue, a darker and a lighter, another green, yellow. I don't know what that is. Brown, orange. Oh, there we got one special drill. We got those. Okay, lots of different colors. Anyhow, interesting, right? You know me, I like to find things that are unique. So here's a unique item for you, right? And this is something that, you know, you might not know that you can acquire at Fansells. So now you know. And then, of course, you know, this is just too adorable, right? Too adorable. And Mr. Snowman, he goes in my giveaway pile. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll link these below so that you can check them out for yourselves. There was a whole bunch of these little bobble-headed little things. I'll call them bobbleheads, but there's a whole bunch. There's just tons of them, and more popping up, I'm sure, all the time. Super cute. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that like button, subscribe button. Check out memberships. You can check that out below. If you're interested in supporting that way, super thanks. That's all available on my channel. And of course, buy me a coffee. And of course, your support, just watching my videos, is super appreciated and very helpful. So until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.